So hello friend, welcome back to my channel. This is me Farhan Khan. You are watching Let's Speak. Today, you know, I was just note some topic and some vocabulary because whenever I got any vocabulary, I put on my uh, I note down in my notebook because sometime after some time when I realize I have to revise, so I revise and after that when I revise, so I also remember as well. It's very good. I think you have to do like that. If you learn any vocabulary, if you listen any vocabulary from to any other, any place, to any from anyone, so you have to be note down in a book, notebook. If you are an English learner, you are a beginner. You have to have a book because notebook because it's very compulsory. You can say it's mandatory. You know sometimes friend, what happens sometimes we learn lots of vocabulary even with our friends. Sometimes we learn in a book, but after some time in one day 2 day we forget. But if you note down your all vocabulary in your notebook, definitely when you got free time, just only revise. No, I'm not saying you must remember, you drill practice on the no, just only remember one time you see a glance over there, so definitely it will work very good, and it's also keep your mind so long lasting, so it's easy to recall while speaking, while writing. And the second thing, many people ask if may I speak English within a 1 month and 2 month. I cannot say anything. As far as I know, you cannot speak a proper English within 2 months. If you are a beginner, so it is not possible. If you are medicator, so definitely it's up to you. As much you hard work, as much you gain. But it's my personal opinion, personal experience. I want to share with you. You have to give minimum 4 to 5 months, because it's not just a piece of cake. It's a very hard work because it is our target language, second language. So sometimes people they very crazy about to learn English and speak English, but when after some time they cannot speak, then they give up. What the use? No, don't give up. Only 4 to 5, and you have to knowledge about their sentence and their structure, how to speak, whatever. But you have to be practice more every time. Doesn't matter you are working, you are whenever you free, you have to speak. There is only one thing important: consistency and continuously. You have to be punctual, because if you're not punctual, you don't like some people say. Some people do. One day they speak and they did note down so much. After one day they gap. Another day they start. It's not good. Doesn't matter. Speak less, note down, reading, speaking less, but be consistency. Every day, if you do work, definitely it will work. It will give you a magical reward. But without consistency, you cannot do it. And large don't depend on ready-made sentences. Nowadays in YouTube, Instagram, there's lots of ready-made sentences available, and people love to read. I'm not against. Yeah, you can watch, you can learn, but not depend on it, because your scenario, your surrounding, in your environment is different. Like you take lots of ready-made sentences, but it's not possible to in your life this sentence match with your daily life. Like if you find lots of vocabulary, lots of ready-made sentences about hotel and restaurant, but you don't have any chance to go a restaurant. You are just sitting on your home, so there is no use. Maybe sometime if you go over there, so it will work, it will good for you. But you have to know, you just only focus structure and made your own sentence, which sentence useful to your environment, to use, that can be used in your daily life. Like मैं एक जब भी कोई काम करे, खाना बना रहे, नमक डाल रहे, उसमें कपड़ा धुल रहे, इन सारी चीज़ों को in that work you have to be translate as English and make with the help of that structure you make your own sentence. Because every day lots of people they prefer interview session and airport session, many kind of session available on everywhere. Yeah, it's good, I'm not saying that you study, but focus on your make your own sentence. If you make your own sentence, definitely it will be very good for you, and you can easily use in your language. Sometimes language is a mediator to convey your thought, to convey your message. Sometimes people don't understand, so it's your responsibility to make them easy, to make your language so easy way and deliver them that they can understand. So, if you are only depend on ready-made sentence. Sometimes ready-made sentence very advanced level. As beginner in rural areas, people cannot understand. So that's why I say make your own sentence. Make it easy way, and always feel word. Whenever you as if you got chance to speak in somewhere like as a public speaker, so feel your word. Show your anger, show your happiness, show your shyness, show your enjoyment, everything. You feel firstly you feel. If you feel your word, definitely your speech doesn't matter. Your speech is only 2 minutes, but it will affect very much for audience. And as you know, nowadays we are making shooting lots of video just for debating, for a kind of activity, just because of communication skill. As you know, I am also learning English because I love learning English. I want to become a teacher. That's why I have to teach. I would like to teach a student, but I want to enter that field, education, teaching field with proper you can say पूरी तैयारी के साथ. So that's why I'm very passionate about now. I'm curious and I do very much hard work for it. And definitely, if you will do same thing, definitely no one can stop you. No one to speak English. And don't take so serious and don't underestimate, because it's if you think it's just a language I can hear. No. And you have to be little bit serious, but not so much serious. Oh my God, how I can learn it? No. You have to become a mediator, parallel. If you are a parallel, not so much depressed, not so much careless. Definitely, it will work you, and you will learn very easily. So, if you have any query, you can comment in. Comment in my comment box, and you can also rectify us and suggest which type of video you want. Definitely, if I'm able, I'm capable, so definitely I will do work, and after that I will shoot video. So, अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो लाइक और शेयर करें, और हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें, और अपने सारे फ्रेंड फैमिली को, रिलेटिव को, सबको चैनल शेयर करें. तो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में नेक्स्ट टॉपिक के साथ. तब तक के लिए कनेक्ट रहिए लेट्स स्पीक के साथ.